I would like to give you a small tiny little tip which is whatever is the main highlight of your video, put it at the beginning of your video, so people after clicking on your video are greeted with what they wish to watch, and then after that is completed, people are hooked to your video and people watch it throughout. If you are interested in making your watch time go from low to high and get into that YouTube partnership program. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, you don't know about the new YouTube policy, be sure to hit that card somewhere here and watch that video. So yeah, then let's get into what is watch time for first, because many of us don't know what is watch time for your YouTube channel. So what is watch time? Watch time is the amount of time your audience is retained to watch your video. And that could be 10%, that could be 20%, that could be 30%, anything. So let's start by example how much watch time you need exactly. If you have about one video of 10 minutes and you want to get that 4,000 hours of watch time, then you need to have 240,000 viewers retained for the 100% of your video. And this is very, very, very difficult because not all of us have that many views. So let's start by thinking how can we increase your watch time. Also, I would like to say one thing, that normally for channels like us, small channels are not getting 100% audience retention. We get about 20%, 30%, even less. So that is a long way to go for us. So let's start by thinking how to increase our watch time. First, make videos with good content. Put your whole effort into that video, because if your content is not good, your people won't watch it till the end. Your audience will just click on it, watch it for 10 to 15 seconds, then close it. So make videos with good content. Second, you have to do is to increase the length of your videos. And that is a yes or no for many people. Like my channel, my audience doesn't like long videos. And when I made long videos, my audience retention was very less. But now, as I've started making shorter videos, my audience retention has grown. So yeah, then what I would like to tell you, a third point is, don't make your videos boring as it goes on. Make it more and more interesting. Give more and more content to your viewers as your video continues. And fourth, I would like to talk about is start making vlogs. If you have a beauty channel, make beauty vlogs. If you have a tech channel, make tech news or tech vlogs. If you're going for a tech shopping, you can make a vlog of that. You can make tech news, because tech news is something that covers a lot of things and people watch it because it's not boring. Then you can make lifestyle vlogs. You can make any kind of vlogs. Vlogs is the thing that people watch throughout. So yeah, I would recommend it to do it. And then I would like to give you a small tiny little tip which is whatever is the main highlight of your video, put it at the beginning of your video, so people after clicking on your video are greeted with what they wish to watch, and then after that is completed, people are hooked to your video and people watch it throughout. So that was a nifty little trick which you can imply. And yeah, that was probably it for watch time video. And what I would like to give you one more tip is that stop thinking about YouTube AdSense for at least now, because YouTube has made it difficult to get on the YouTube partnership program. And I would suggest to get into sponsorships, and sponsorships are great for new channels. Approach small teeny little startups. Don't approach big companies first. Make your good video, have a good subscriber base, and then sponsorships will come to you. And yeah, that will be before YouTube AdSense. Now I can see that. So this was Dan Srivastava from Eccentric Tech, and this was all I had to tell you about watch time. If you liked my video, make that black like button to blue and hit that red subscribe button and make it black and subscribe to my channel. So this is Dan Srivastava from Eccentric Tech signing off.